Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today we're going to look at the new Sony speakers. So it is the smallest one on board, SRS XB33. It's around 150 pounds. I'll leave the link below if you are interested in one of these. And it's coming in a few colors. You have red, black, blue, silver. 24 hours of battery. You have stereo audio. You can use the Sony app, IP67, so it's a waterproof. You have the live sounds. You have the left and right for stereos. Party chain, so if you do have multiple speakers, you can connect them together. Compatible with Apple and Android. You have the apps, or you can use as music center. All water resistant, and you have a live mode, and you have a party chain up to 100 speakers. And it's come with a USB-C charger, 24 hours of battery. It comes with a built-in microphone for phone call. Also, you do have a voice assistant. It does also offers you a power bank, so you can charge your phone by using the speakers charge. And you have the NFC and Bluetooth. So let's open this up and let's give it a try. Before we go to the speaker, let's go through the things quickly. So you have USB-A to USB-C, so USB to USB-C charger, and you have the don't forget register your speaker, so giving you instruction of how to register your speaker to Sony. And you have the Sony guides, put that aside, and same thing in different languages. So this is what we're after. This is how to use the speaker. So turn on, connect to the Bluetooth, how the lights works, and how to connect to the speaker and play. It is a very simple. And how to connect to the party chain. So if you are connecting a multiple speaker, you can use each speaker as left and right. So it's quite a big speaker, definitely. So now we're going to try the speaker. So I changed the camera's angle so you can have a better look. Power, Bluetooth, you have pause and play, you have the volume control, and you have the live and NFC. Mesh in the both sides, and you have a plastic in each side of it. And it does have the booms, so it does actually move. So both sides have a plastics on the sides and mesh in the middle. So in the back, you have USB, and you have a USB-C for charging a speaker. You have the lights, party chain buttons, and you have a stereo mode connection. So it is a full 360 audio, and we're going to test that as well. So let's turn that on. It is ready to pair.
Bluetooth connected.
So first we're going to go through the speakers.
This is not a test. This is your emergency broadcast system announcing the commencement of the annual purge sanctioned by the U.S. government. Weapons of Class 4 and lower have been authorized for use during the purge. All other weapons are restricted. Government officials of ranking 10 have been granted immunity from the purge and shall not be harmed. Commencing at the siren, any and all crime, including murder, will be legal for 12 continuous hours. Police, fire, and emergency medical services will be unavailable until tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. when the purge concludes. Blessed be our new founding fathers and America, a nation reborn. May God be with you all.
This world, I'm out of it. Cause with all this ABC shit, I'm starting to sound like alphabet. Ha! I kill me. What's against the world? We can battle whoever. Together ain't no way. Now. Hunting, fishing, loving every day. That's the prayer that a country boy prays.
really good. The bass is, you can feel the bass. When you compare it with the older one, it actually sounds much better than the older XB42 or the XB31s. They sound much better than the older Sony speakers. It's have more bass, it's much more clearer than the older models, and slightly bigger as well. When you put the speaker facing you, coming directly, so it sounds much better. When you turn the speaker slide, you do lose a little bit of volume, so it's not loud as when the speaker is facing you. Other than that, it just sounds really good. It's noticeable improvement on the bass and the audio quality compared to the older Sony speakers. So far, no delays, no distortion at all. Tried all kind of songs, all kind of bass. Audio sounds clear, no distortion. Not even a lag. I highly recommend if you are looking for new speakers. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like the video, leave the comments below, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next video.